In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up and use the extra codes or student codes in the WebTess enrollment system to enter data and print reports. First, we'll sign into WebTess, and I'll bring up the individual student data screen. In the student data screen, you can record many details about your students, including their addresses, phone numbers, emails, as well as notes and alerts. In the section marked Extra Codes, there are additional fields which you can customize to record additional information. Examples of student codes include the citizenship or country of origin of a student, any special programs that the student is taking, the bus route or transportation that a student takes to school, and any sports or activities that they might participate in. You can have up to 50 extra student codes which are customizable, and then you can print reports based on those selections. To create or change extra codes, go to Enrollment, Setup, and Extra Codes. In some cases, these are called student codes or custom codes. Select a code from the list by clicking on it. You can then enter or change the title, and in the item columns, you can enter the values for this code. You could use extra codes to record medical conditions, immunization, allergies, sports, and other activities. You can renumber the codes and move them around. Click on the Renumber button, and then use the arrow keys to move a code up or down the list. When you print any report, you can make selections by extra code, then select the items to search for and print lists. For example, I can get a list of the students involved in various sports. I go to Enrollment, Print Student Lists, I go down to Student Code Lists, and choose Extra Codes Reports sorted by student code. Then I can select on Extra Codes, choose Sports, click OK, and OK, and I will get a list of all of the sports sorted by code. So first the students in badminton, baseball, football, etc. For any other report, you can make selections by extra code. So for example, I can go to Enrollment, Student Lists, I go down to Custom Lists, make selections by extra code, and choose Country of Origin, and I'll select all students except for Canadian residents, and then click OK. I can choose a custom design, and then click OK to view the report. And here are the list of students from all of the various, showing all the various countries of origin. And I can resize the columns to make it easier to see them.